After science videos went viral, many micro-niches have emerged inside this category. One of the most popular right now is skeleton videos, which both new and old creators are making, and they're getting massive views. So in this video, we'll learn how to create videos like these step by step. First, we'll go to ChatGPT, click on the Explore option, and type Skeleton Shorts. From the options that appear, we'll click on any one and then click Start Chat. Next, we'll type our video topic. For example, what actually braces do? This will be our video topic. ChatGPT will instantly give us a simple, easy-to-understand explanation script. Before making science videos, I believe it's important to read and understand the information properly, because we're explaining things related to the human body. After that, in the same chat, we'll ask ChatGPT to create image prompts by simply typing Create Image Prompts. ChatGPT will then give us scene-wise image prompts. Now we'll copy the first image prompt and open Gemini. We'll paste the prompt into the prompt box and upload a reference image. I'm using a screenshot from one of the popular videos, but you can take a screenshot from any video you like. In the same way, we'll copy all the prompts, upload reference images, and generate all the pictures. Once all the images are created, download all of them. Now go back to the same ChatGPT page and type Create Video Prompts. ChatGPT will generate the video prompts for us. Copy the video prompt, open VO3, click on New Project, select the size, paste the prompt, and keep Frame to Video selected. Upload the images we generated earlier and click Go. Repeat this process to generate all the video scenes. Once they're ready, download all the videos. Next, go back to ChatGPT and type Create a Voiceover Prompt. Copy the voiceover prompt, open Google AI Studio, select Single Audio Speaker, paste the prompt, and click Go. Once the audio is generated, download it. For editing, open any editing software. I'm using Filmora. Import the audio and place it on the timeline. Add all the video clips to the timeline. Slightly increase the speed of all clips and add a transition. And that's it. Your video is ready. For more information like this, don't forget to join my community. The link is in the description, and joining is completely free. I'll see you inside the community, or wait a little, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
What do braces actually do? They don't just sit there looking shiny. They slowly push your teeth into better positions, one tiny move at a time. Yeah, it feels a little weird at first. That pressure, that means it's working. Day by day, your bite improves, your smile lines up, and suddenly, you're looking a lot more confident. It takes patience, but the glow up, totally worth it.